Are you ready for your big day, Priscilla? You ready to get your nails trimmed? We got a long trip to go. Yeah, we do. We gotta drive 2 hours. Go to the bird shop. Get your nails trimmed. Road trip. Could probably use his nails trimmed too. But lucky for him, I don't know where the nail clippers are. Look at those big long nails. Oh my gosh. Such a good kitty. Yes, she is. She's a good kitty. Hey Priscilla, are you ready? Come here. Do you need to go poo-poo first? Go poo-poo. Can you go poo-poo? Can you go poo-poo? Can you go poo-poo for me? Can you go poo-poo? That's usually where she goes to go poop, but it doesn't look like she needs to go right now. All right, come here. All right. So this is how I've set up her cage so far. I really like it actually. And I did wind up using the doll purchase that came with it, but because I have like a rope perch and another braided perch, and like wood stuff for her to climb on, it's okay. I just wouldn't recommend like the entire thing. She's like, pay attention to me. I'm trying to get your attention. Hello, stop talking about my cage and talk about me. Yes, Priscilla, this is all about you. All about you, pretty bird. Yes. But anyway, so I think she has a pretty good setup. I think she likes it. Do you like it? Do you like the setup? Do you like the setup? Okay. All right, so we are... Hello, Nigel again. And Momo. It is time to go to the travel cage. Are you ready, Priscilla? Let's go. And there you are, princess. Yes. All right. So we're not taking this whole thing on wheels. We're just taking the top part with us. And it just fits in the car. I want it unlocked. Don't tell me we locked ourselves out. Oh, okay. We're like, what the crap? Alright. Alright. Here we go. Oh. She gets to ride shotgun today. Right. The effort that we go to give you a nice big cage. All right, we are buckled in and we are ready to go. I get to ride in the back seat. Here we go. Whoa. Making a quick stop at Buc-ee's right quick. Gotta get a snack. Okay, so after grabbing a snack from Buc-ee's, we are back on the road. Let's get going. Never mind, Priscilla. Woo! Okay, so we have made it to the bird shop. You ready to go get your nails trimmed, Priscilla? Yeah? Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. Well, I think she's less than a year. I don't even know if it's a girl or a boy.
How?
Priscilla, you can do it. She's being so good. Like, I'm surprised. I thought she'd be screaming.
Some do. Some are worse than others.
You're okay, baby. You're okay. I'm right here. Such a good bird. See, she confuses me sometimes because I was quite certain she was female. But then, like, she's learned one word. And when we're not in the room, she kind of tries to whistle, but she's not very good at it.
And yes, that's how some females can be.
Really?
Your males are great at it.
She's not.
They say females don't do anything at all, but
that's not true.
In this case, there are some that can be good talkers, or it can be 50-50.
Well, she tries to mimic because I put her on my shoulder and I kind of like rub her head and I say scritches, and then she tries to repeat it. She makes a squeaky noise.
Yeah, most likely a female.
So cute. She is doing so good.
And just the nails?
Yes, I'm letting her wings grow out. It's time to go back home. You ready to go back home, sweet pea? Yeah, tired, had a long day. You like your new toy that I got you at the bird shop? Yeah? She's tired. It's like, it's been a long day and I've been in a strange place for hours.